Hi, Mr. Reyes. It's Ryan Conway, Ganley Buick GMC in Strongsville, Ohio. As promised, I wanted to come out here and help you get a closer look at this fresh arrival 2021 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. As you know, one of the hardest vehicles to find in the country. This one's pretty much in the wrapper. It's white, as you can see, not a blemish on the vehicle. Very well taken care of by its previous owner. Has your roof racks, the sunroof package, all-wheel drive as you see on the listing there. Has your power liftgate. This one comes with the sunshade, which can easily come down. You've got your cargo mat. Again, super clean vehicle, very well taken care of by its previous owner, as you can see here. This can be adjusted. I'm not sure if anybody's ever sat in the back seat. It does have the all-weather mat, which is nice to see. Vents in the back, USBs, of course your cup holder. Does have the side blind zone alerts. Power, adjustable lumbar. All your controls are on this side, like your auto high beam, your heated steering wheel, power liftgate button. All of your drive modes are found down here. The heated seats, the dual climate control. I love the hybrids because it has this super quiet startup. Drives just as quiet. Just 17,000 miles at this point. Obviously in EV mode with the hybrid battery that recharges through regenerative braking. Backup camera with the rear park assist. As you can see, I'm driving this thing. You can hardly even hear it. Averaging about 40 miles per gallon at this point in time. But again, I wanted to get out here and, help you get a closer look at the exact vehicle that you inquired about. Show you the condition of the inside and out. Not a single blemish on this car. XLE trim level. Does have the fog lights as well. Gorgeous car. Another tell is when they have the book still. They've got the well taken care of, all information about the vehicle. Everything's in here, the manual. And of course the original window sticker in good condition. This one's got the heated leather steering wheel with the heated front seats with the rain sensing variable with the intermittent windshield wipers will go off on their own. The convenience package, power liftgate, power moonroof, and of course the roof rack crossbars, all-weather floor liners throughout, including the cargo tray. But like I said, wanted to get out here, help you get a closer look at the vehicle. I'd love to hold this thing for you until you can get up here. If you could, let me know if you wanted to get to the next step, which would be to price the vehicle out. Again, Ryan Conway, Ganley Buick GMC in Strongsville, Ohio. Phone number here is 216-926-1290. And I'll look forward to talking with you soon. Have a great day.